Hi, I'm David Harrell, editor of the Morningstar DividendInvestor newsletter. In this monthly series, we take a look at the dividend prospects of three stocks that are popular with income investors. Duke Energy is one of the country's largest regulated utilities. On July 15th, Duke declared a quarterly dividend of $1.04 a share, a 2% increase from its previous rate, which is in line with the utility's 2.2% annualized dividend growth over the past 5 years. The stock currently yields 3.7% and is trading roughly in line with its Morningstar fair value estimate. Morningstar analysts believe Duke's dividend is well covered with its regulated utilities earnings, and they forecast average annual dividend growth of 4%, which implies a 63% payout ratio based on their 2028 earnings estimate. American Tower owns and operates more than 220,000 cell towers. The firm initiated a quarterly dividend in 2012 when it converted to a real estate investment trust. American Tower yields 3%, and it has increased its dividend at an annualized rate of 8.6% over the past 5 years. But don't expect any dividend growth in 2024. After bumping its quarterly rate to $1.70 per share for its first payout of the year, the company returned to the previous rate of $1.62 for the next two payouts, which will keep the total dividend for 2024 roughly the same as it was in 2023. Morningstar analysts expect dividend growth to resume in 2025 after the company's reduced its debt. During American Tower's April 30th earnings call, management indicated its intention for that as well. The stock currently trades just below its Morningstar fair value estimate. Finally, Wells Fargo, one of the big four U.S. banks, made a large dividend cut in 2020, reducing its quarterly dividend rate from 51 cents to 10 cents. Following its recent stress test results, Wells Fargo has increased its quarterly payout to 40 cents per share, up from the previous rate of 35 cents. Based on the new annual dividend of $1.60, the stock is yielding 2.7%. While the quarterly dividend remains below its 2020 pre-cut rate, Wells has now increased the quarterly dividend fourfold over the past 4 years. Morningstar analysts expect the annual dividend to increase to $1.73 over the next 4 years, with a payout ratio of roughly 30 to 35%. Like the previous two stocks, Wells is also trading in line with its Morningstar fair value estimate. I'm David Harrell with Morningstar Dividend Investor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month.